Now we go into what we call the hora. The zodiac is got 12 signs, and every sign has got 2 hora. Why does every sign have 2 hora? What is the meaning of the word hora? Hour. The Greeks also have the same word, and the Hindus also have the same word. It's a Sanskrit word generally, and it's a very important term, because we all, human beings by nature, all creatures by nature, follow the hour. We all follow that. So what happens is, there are different ways to construct the charts, but we need to find out which planets are ruling the different hours of the day. Do you know how to do that? I mean, do you know how the weekday order is derived? Why does Monday come after Sunday? No? What's your age? From where did that order come? God came down and told you, behold me, Monday shall come after Sunday. Come on.
We do not know. No one ever taught us.
Then why didn't you ask?
Well, we didn't know we didn't.
You are so eager to ask your Brahmarishi.
Yeah.
But why didn't you ask this simple question when you were in school? I ask you, where is this? Be fair. Be fair. You ask every little question and torment that soul. Where is this little question you didn't ask? Why?
Really bad on a dumb answer. That's how it is on the calendar, or you know.
We learned at a young age that they didn't have the answers.
Thank you, Dave. True.
So there was no point in asking.
Why didn't you ask in college?
They didn't have the answers.
Okay, I'll give you the answer. I need to do this. Because sooner or later you'll have to learn this, right? Okay. It is it's a very big secret, you know. Oh my God. Jyotish is like, it gives me all the answers. That's why I love the subject. Okay. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to write down the list of the planets on the order of the speed. I will write down the list of the planets on the order of the speeds. Speed of the planet. You leave Rahu and Ketu. I'm only going to take. So which is the fastest? Moon. After that? Mercury. After that? Mars or Venus? After that? The Sun or Earth. Sun, which is Earth, same. Why am I putting Sun, Earth? Because from a geocentric viewpoint, it is Sun. From a heliocentric viewpoint, it is the Earth. Okay? After Sun? Mars. Good. After that? Jupiter. After that? Saturn. Now, the first is always given to the king. The first share of anything is always to the king. Right? And who is the king among the planets? The sun. Good. So, and I make the first rule. The rule is the sun gets first hour. And whoever will rule the first hour will rule the first day. Second rule, who rules first hour rules the day. Am I right? Do you understand this point? Whoever will rule the first hour will rule the day. And I will start from Sunday. That is why the week must always start from Sunday. The modern method of starting the week from Monday is wrong. It is disrespect of the sun. And when any nation or any people shall start disrespecting the sun, their finances and their economy will start getting destroyed. Which is the first nation in recent history who started doing this? Disrespecting the sun, change the calendar to start from some other day other than the Sunday. and had different kind of calendar instead of the 12-month. Tried all kinds of funny tricks. Russia, USSR. USSR tried it, and see what happened to USSR. As a Jyotishi, I observe carefully, I study. Make a note of this. Who is doing it now? Right. What's happening in Europe right now? I mean, these rich nations are suddenly begging, out there with begging bowls. How long? If every neighbor of yours is a beggar, how long can you keep giving? And who is really giving the money? Is Germany giving it or the US is giving? Let's look at it slightly more deeply. Who gave the money to Portugal? What about Greece?
The banks gave
The
the
European
Union.
And where did the IMF get that money from?
created it. The Federal
We
Reserve.
printed it.
We printed it. The United States printed the money.
I mean, we're
You
not.
mean it didn't come from England and
England?
Germany and I mean I thought the European
England is going to give money for the... Oh, please.
Most of it came from the US.
Everybody knows where that money is coming from. Find out. The US is the one which always opens its purse.
Because we have so much military.
If it didn't, all those guys would be lining outside Washington. Believe me, it is the US. Without humiliating them, you are giving very nicely.
Well, what would they need to do differently with the calendar?
Who, they?
Us.
Who are we to tell them?
No, but what I'm just saying in principle.
In principle, just start the day with Sunday. Follow a calendar which starts with Sunday.
But doesn't the calendar start with Sunday?
It doesn't in Europe.
Not in Europe.
And nowadays, even in the United States, it's changing.
Yes, it is.
See the corporate world, they all start on Monday.
The way they visualize it, like here.
They even change the thing with Monday as the first day and Sunday as the last day.
Yeah, this one's on Sunday. But
There you see. Look here. When you get such a book, throw it away. Don't use it anymore. Remember this. Don't be very careful. Jyotish means it will tell you everything. What is right and what is wrong. Hora is how you survive in this planet. You break the Hora, your food will go. Hora is food. Hora is wealth. You break the Hora, your food and wealth will go. Such little things, but vital knowledge. And as Jyotishis, you have to observe who's doing what. Oh, she started using the funny calendar starting on Monday. Watch the fun. She's going to have financial problems within a year. There you go. Now you know how to change it. Throw that calendar, get a fresh one. And stop using any calendar that starts on a Monday. You stop it personally. Start on a Sunday, end on a Saturday. Why end on a Saturday? We'll just find out. Let's do this. So I want you to now write numbers from 1 to 24. 1, 2, 3, 4 like this till 24, which are the 24 hours of the day. Right? Now, I want you to move in this order. That is from the slower one to the faster one. Okay? So we start from sun, right? Sunday. After the sun, which is the planet? Next. How Mars? We are going up to the faster one. Venus. Okay? After that, Mercury. Then Moon. Now come on, please write like that till number 24. Finish it. Do the thing right now. Make from 1 to 24, I want you to write down every hour of Sunday. Who are the planets? From the moon, that's a nice question. From moon, we go to Saturn. Right? So this is, let's say, 1, this is 2nd, this is 3rd, this is 4th, 5th hour, 6th hour, 7th hour, 8th hour, 9, 10, 11, like that. Do 24. No, because the earth is sun, no? Come on, do it. You are done all 24?
No. But we are ready to
Basically, this thing will repeat 3 times to get 21. Then 22 will be sun. 22. Did you get sun as 22? Okay, write it. Go through. I'll wait. No, it's good to do it. Because if you do this exercise once, it'll get inside. Then the knowledge stays.
If this relates to your birth time, and I'm assuming
We will come. I will answer all questions. Do the exercise.
Well, did it.
You did it 24? Yeah. Did you get sun as 22?
Yeah. Yes.
Good. What is 23? Did you get Venus as 23?
Yes.
24 was Mercury?
Yes.
Right. Since we finished in Mercury 24, the next will be what? 25, right?
Yeah.
Which is actually first for the next day. What did you get? Did you get moon?
Yeah.
So moon has to be the lord of the next day. Now I want you to, as a homework, please take this as a homework. It is painful, little time consuming, very childish. This should have been done when you were in class 5. They didn't do it, so you lost your logic. They were not training you for logic. I was trained for logic. So go through this and you will see the beautiful calendar in front of you, in which every hour of the day from Sunday to Saturday is in front of you. So right now you know which hour is ruled by which planet.
Just ask the question.
Those people who follow the hours will always succeed in everything in their life.
Why? Because you might send an email at a certain time versus another time?
Exactly. And then if you know the secret of the hour, that is, take your Rashi chart. If let's say in my Rashi chart, my 7th lord is Mercury, and I need to write an email to my wife, I should do that in Mercury's hour. It will always be positive. If I need to write to my boss, then my 10th lord is Jupiter, because for Pisces, I'm Pisces rising. So 10th lord is Jupiter. So in Jupiter's hour, if I send an email like a promotion, this, that, it is like 90% chance I will succeed. You are only enhancing the chances of your success in every aspect of your life by following the Hora. 90%. Because you are using the day, the fire, the holy Agni. You understand Agni, right? Yeah. You understand Agni. This is Agni in action. So you know what I'm talking about. Wow. I learned this when I was very small. I was so excited. So at least you learned it before you died. Follow the sunrise. Remember, your day of 12 hours, let's say the sun rises at 4 a.m. It's from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. is your day. 4 p.m. your night will start. 12 hours, 12 hours. That's it. Follow the sun. All I am saying, for a change, try to follow the sun. So now you know why we got the weekdays. So now we can go, I thought I would have finished it by now. I have barely started.